We have about 11 million customers on our gaming platform.
Okay.
Right? पहले होता था कि if you receive a call, आपको 2 रुपए per minute आपको पड़ते थे as a mobile customer.
Because I'm
Because you're
receiving
receiving a
Oh,
call.
wow. What is your opinion and what do you think is actually going to happen when a player like Starlink comes into the market?
I feel if they work with us, there is more to be gained for everyone rather
Okay.
than competing with us.
If you were a superhero, who would you be?
I think Iron Man is fascinating because he's a
Self-made superhero. I think
self-made,
that's what he's...
very much into technology,
Yeah.
and
Yes,
I think
yes.
he's a cool character.
Telecom company insurance की बेच रही है, but there
But
is a
telecom
case.
company mobile wallets भी तो बेच रही है. We are a
हाँ.
bank as well.
Yes. Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Digital Pakistan podcast. I'm your same old host Asma Ijaz Khan और आज अपने साथ में लेके आई हूँ एक नए guest. This guest has made some very bold claims. वो कहते हैं कि they're changing the industry, transformation king in a way, and they say कि वो और उनकी team are very good at anticipating the customer needs, especially you guys, the Gen Z. We love bold claims, but we also love putting them to test. So आज इस conversation में हम उनसे पूछेंगे कि ये सारा कुछ वो achieve कैसे कर रहे हैं, and then if he can convince us or not. So without any further delay, let's welcome to the podcast Kazim Mushtaba, President Consumer Division at Jazz. Hello and welcome to the podcast, Kazim.
Hello, and thank you for having me over here at the podcast.
Our pleasure, our pleasure. Thank you for taking out the time. टोन तो हमने सेट कर दी इंट्रोडक्शन में. आपको पता है हम आज से आप एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या लेके रखेंगे
जी.
इस पे. ठीक है. सो हमारा जो पॉडकास्ट का तरीका है वो थोड़ा सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइडेड है. द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट ऑब्वियसली इज इंट्रोडक्शन. इंट्रोडक्शन में प्रोफेशनल जर्नी तो हम पूछते हैं, बट इट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट वी कैन फाइंड ऑन लिंक्डइन. तो हम चाहते हैं जब हमारे गेस्ट हमारे सामने बैठे हुए हों, ही टॉक्स अबाउट समथिंग जो हमें कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. What made Kazim, and how did he get to this point? And was this always a dream or, just a series of accidents?
I think that's a very interesting question. I graduated from LUMS back in 1998. That's when I did my MBA. So at that time, mobile industry बहुत छोटी थी, बहुत infancy में थी. This was considered a fad. Nobody knew कि industry flourish करेगी. People thought जैसे से नए products आते हैं, वो आए हैं, कुछ अरसे बाद they'll disappear. So at back in 98, हर एक का होता था कि either you're going into multinational banks or you're going into FMCGs. So as a typical MBA graduate, I also started applying, and my interest was more with the multinational banks. But we had a nuclear test back in May 98, after which there was a clampdown on foreign investments. There were pretty serious consequences for the economy and the country, and the hiring by most of the multinational banks was delayed.
Okay.
So, and that is the time I decided I want to do something interesting. I don't want to get into something which was very generic. So, this company, Mobilink,
Oh, back then
was
Mobilink.
back then Mobilink.
Yes.
So that is where I applied, and that was my first job. My intention over there was that I'm going to stay there for 3 to 6 months, and as soon as the banks they start to hire, मैं दोबारा अपने passion की तरफ जाऊंगा. But मैंने एक चीज देखी, this industry was so addictive. क्योंकि ग्लोबली एक ये नई इंडस्ट्री थी जो इतनी तेजी से ग्रो कर रही थी कि until and unless you're part of this industry आपको पता नहीं लगता था हो क्या रहा है. And I never looked back. So I have been working since 1998 in the same industry.
Wow, commitment.
So commitment कहते हैं आप, I don't know. But what I saw was कि उस वक्त हमारे पास पाकिस्तान में SMS भी नहीं होता था. That is the time I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And वो तो I have seen the evolution of this industry in Pakistan, outside Pakistan, Middle East, Africa. बहुत से यूरोपियन ऑपरेटर्स को स्टडी किया है on how the technology has changed over the last 2.5-3 decades. So वहाँ से मैंने start किया अपना career, and I fell in love with the industry. Then I worked in Middle East, I worked in Africa, I came back to Pakistan. Then I went to Middle East again, and this is my third time in this company actually.
Oh, so you've left in the middle and then come back.
Yeah, and then I've come back again. So they
ऐसा
take me
क्या
every
है
time.
जैज में?
देखिए, jazz की मैं आपको छोटी सी एक जर्नी बताता हूँ. Jazz, when I joined 16 April, I joined जब वारिद को हमने एक्वायर किया था,
हम्म
and we were integrating the two companies. So I was hired as the chief integration officer. So integration के दौरान the main question was how do we work on our culture? Because आप दो companies को join कर रहे हैं, हर एक के dynamics फर्क होते हैं, cultures फर्क होते हैं. At that time, we as a management team decided that we have to create a new culture. It will not be
हम्म
Mobilink culture, it will not be Varit culture. We have to come up with something new.
yeah
Hence, जो हमारे prepaid का brand था Jazz, we decided to call our company Jazz. And then everything changed. So
हम्म
from a very old styled offices, we went into a very modern structure. Or I mean, you can
हम्म
come and look at our offices. It's open seating, beautiful cafeteria. We simplified our organization, we simplified our policies, and made it a very fun place to work. Now, in the last couple of years, the changes that I've seen, that you're saying, why Jazz, is the people. The culture of this company is what makes everyone come back. बहुत से लोग हमने देखे हैं अभी भी, they go to other operators, they go to other organizations, and after some time they come back to Jazz.
हम्म
It's because हम जिस तरह से यहाँ लोगों को encourage करते हैं with their entrepreneurial spirit.
हम्म
You focus on new products, you focus on your way of work. आपने experiments करना है, people support you. So it's a very open and supportive culture, जिसकी वजह से Jazz has become a number one company in Pakistan.
So even though it's a very old company, क्योंकि काफी अरसे से established है, but you guys still try and be innovative and market leader ऐसे ही तो नहीं रहते ना?
आपकी बात ठीक है. I believe one of the other key success factors that I see is that we have been very open to change and in reinventing ourselves. Because if I look at the kind of work जो मैं 7-8 साल पहले कर रहा था is very different compared to जो अब काम हो रहा है हमारी कंपनी में.
Hmm.
So we did not stick to our old ways of work. We
Yeah.
all of us might be very old, but we do understand that
Yeah.
जितनी तेजी से आपका evolve कर रहे हैं work styles, work cultures and technology, because we are a technology company end of the day, if we do not keep up, pretty soon we will be obsolete.
Yeah.
So we need to be ahead of the curve, and that is what we strive to do. And we want to make sure everyone in the organization is on this path with us.
Interesting. अच्छा काज़िम, हम पास्ट के साथ अब बात करेंगे. सो पहला सवाल तो मेरा ये होगा, बिकॉज वी वांट टू नो यू एज अ पर्सन एज वेल. आप जो है ना, गो बैक टू बीइंग अ 20 ईयर ओल्ड और हमें बताएं उस टाइम पे टेक्नोलॉजी किस तरह दिखती थी, एंड व्हाट वर लाइक सम फनी इंसिडेंट्स दैट यू रिमेंबर.
टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत बेसिक थी, बिकॉज मोबाइल फोन वाज ओनली यूज फॉर कनेक्टिविटी. डेटा
हम्म
सर्विसेज पाकिस्तान में
या
एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती थी. इवन ग्लोबली बहुत कम, कहीं आपका जीपीआरएस वगैरह कहीं यूके में चल रहा, विच वर स्लाइटली मोर एडवांस्ड ऑपरेटर्स. अदरवाइज पाकिस्तान में इट वाज जस्ट बेसिक फोन कॉल कनेक्टिविटी. आपको एक फैक्स सर्विस वगैरह मिलती थी. फनी इंसिडेंट्स में आई डू रिमेंबर जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया था, so I was on a rotation looking at different departments. So मैं customer services center में बैठा हुआ था. So एक साहब आए and उन्होंने कहा कि आपने मुझे सेट मैंने खरीदा, मुझे इसके साथ आपने पिन नहीं दी. राइट. सो उस वक्त आपको फोन ऑन करने के लिए एक पिन कोड चाहिए होता था. सो
ओके.
उनको कोड नहीं पता था, वो समझ रहे थे फिजिकल पिन चाहिए आपको फोन सेट यूज करने के लिए. सो उस तरह से बहुत से इंसिडेंट्स होते थे, बिकॉज द टेक्नोलॉजी वाज वेरी न्यू, पीपल डिडंट
या
नो.
या
अब तो पीपल आर मोर एडवांस देन अस वर्किंग इन जैज, जितने चीज़ें हो रही हैं. लेकिन उस ज़माने में पीपल वर क्वाइट नाइव व्हेन इट केम टू मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी.
तो हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस, कि अब जो आप काम कर रहे थे, इंडस्ट्री आपके साथ साथ ही ग्रो की है, राइट? बिकॉज
जी.
यू वर वेरी न्यू. तो जब भी आपने कोई नई चीज मार्केट में लॉन्च की है, हाउ वाज द होल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एजुकेटिंग सच अ बिग पॉपुलेशन ऑन समथिंग, जो कि हमारी पॉपुलेशन का एक वो आइडिया भी ना, जो चीजें हमें समझ नहीं आती, फिर या तो हमें उससे डर लगता है या तो हम उसको बुरा कहते हैं. तो इस तरह की चीजों को फिर नॉर्मलाइज करना एंड देन सीइंग दैट टेक ग्रो विद इन द कम्युनिटी, हाउ वाज दैट?
पाकिस्तान में अगर आप देखें, सो देयर हैव बीन फ्यू इंसिडेंट्स जहां इंडस्ट्री ने एक स्टेप चेंज किया इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रोथ.
हम्म
The biggest thing came, there was a phenomena called calling party pays. पहले आप इनकमिंग के पैसे देते थे. पाकिस्तान was one of the very few countries in the world जहाँ इनकमिंग चार्ज होती थी.
हम्म
वरना इनकमिंग फ्री थी, and the calling party used to pay a premium, जो then it used to be divided amongst different players. So वो तकरीबन end 2001 में calling party pays regime आई. All of a sudden, the cost of using a mobile went down drastically. So वहाँ से एक step change आया.
इसका क्या मतलब होता है कॉलिंग पार्टी?
आप अभी पहले होता था कि if you receive a call, आपको ₹2 per minute आपको पड़ते थे as a mobile customer.
Because I'm
Because you're
receiving a call.
receiving a
Oh,
call,
wow.
right?
Can't even imagine.
Exactly. So अब it's free for you, but the person who's calling you has वो जो rates
हाँ,
देते हैं,
okay.
that is a split. So जब वो free हुआ तो एकदम से as an owner of a mobile,
Mhm.
your cost went down
Yeah.
significantly. Good 20%, 25% cost पे impact आया. एक वो step change आया, all of a sudden मोबाइल बढ़ गए. 2001 में लोगों को इतना पता नहीं है, मोबाइल ने पहला जैज़ लॉन्च किया था, देयर वर सम इश्यूज विद द सिस्टम, वो बंद हुआ था. उसके बाद 2001 में जैज़ दोबारा लॉन्च हुआ था एंड
Okay.
दैट इज व्हाट वी
हाँ.
हैव राइट नाउ. वो एक बहुत बड़ा स्टेप चेंज आया कि नाउ इट्स अ प्रीपेड मॉडल. यू डोंट पोस्टपेड में आपका बिलिंग वेरिफिकेशन के कॉम्प्लिकेशन आती थी. इट्स अ प्रीपेड मॉडल, यू बाय, यू रीलोड एंड यू यूज एज यू वांट. उससे एक स्टेप चेंज आया. फिर आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट वंस वाज when in 2004 the two new operators, Warid and Telenor, launched.
Yeah.
So Mobilink at that time was the market leader, and they went on a rampant growth strategy and expanding the network, which was brilliant. So usse all of a sudden, like a few hundred sites in metros, we went into thousands of sites all over the country. And that was something that again gave a big boost. There was massive discounts on pricing. A whole new pricing regime came into
Yeah.
existence. And then phone or mobile telephony, the access, the retail footprint, your franchise network, everything just exploded all over the country. And उससे बहुत ज़्यादा growth में आपका help हुई. So these are then, फिर base भी आपकी बढ़ती गई, फिर 3G आया, फिर 4G आया. So all these big events have brought in a step change, not in just in terms of how many customers you can acquire, but also कि इस टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ एज अ कस्टमर आप कर क्या सकते हैं. क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी विदाउट अ यूज्ड केस डजंट मीन मच. जब मैं आपसे कहता हूँ कि आपने जी 4G यूज करना है, पहला क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आएगा कि मैं 4G से क्या कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
जब मैं आपको बताऊंगा दीज आर द 10 थिंग्स यू कैन डू, देन आपको होगा कि ओके नाउ आई वांट टू बी अ 4G कस्टमर एंड लेट्स से नॉट अ 3G कस्टमर.
Yeah.
सो ये एजुकेशन अब बहुत आसान है. पहले बहुत महंगी होती थी. पहले टीवी चैनल्स इतने नहीं होते थे.
Yeah.
एड्स बनाना बहुत महंगा होता था. बट हम आउटडोर पे ज्यादा रिलाई करते थे, रिटेल पे ज्यादा रिलाई करते थे. अब marketing is predominantly through digital, through influencers, through our own apps,
Yeah.
through our products. So it's totally communication strategies change हो चुकी हैं.
अच्छा, आप अभी फिलहाल तो कमर्शियल देखते हैं. वाज इट लाइक द सेम पहले भी? एंड इफ इट वाजंट द सेम तो कमर्शियल में आप ऐसे क्या चैलेंजेस देखती हैं, या थिंग्स दैट यू एंजॉय एक्चुअली मे बी इन द रोल?
देखें, यहाँ the customer is now quite educated, right? So we have a big mix, but there are millions of customers who are extremely well educated on what's happening globally. So their demand of globally benchmarked products and services and technology is something that keeps us innovating all the time.
Yeah.
Social media की वजह से and the social media platforms and the whole connectivity across the globe, the world has become very small. So the expectation of people that Jazz as a market leader is going to launch all these products is very high. So पहले आपका फोकस होता था कि मैंने सिम्स बेचने मार्केट में. Now सिम्स का फिनोमेना अभी भी बहुत important है, but more important is how do you differentiate and what new can you offer to the customer that your competition cannot. So main focus अब हमारा ये है in increasing the value that we give to the customers rather than just going plain vanilla on
Yeah.
minutes and GBs.
Do you enjoy it being, kept on your toes by the customer?
That's I think more of a personality characteristic. I do enjoy a challenge. I do getting into an areas which I don't know about, but I'm very lucky to have an environment that allows me to experiment, which
Yeah.
is the culture I was talking about, and a world-class team I work with, not just directly, but all my colleagues around me. We have done a lot of phenomenal projects and launched products and services humne in the last couple of years. So the atmosphere allows me to experiment, and that is what gives me confidence in trying new things. If it is a very routine sort of a work, then I might get bored.
I mean, it must be great अगर एक बंदा 3 बार एक कंपनी को जॉइन कर रहा है, so there must be something very good about it.
कंपनी का कल्चर इज
Hmm.
समथिंग दैट अट्रैक्ट्स यू.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे every time what I've seen is that whoever joins is welcomed. He's allowed to work in his own space.
Hmm.
He's allowed to experiment. He's allowed to fail, or
Hmm.
she is allowed to fail. So I think that is something very important. That the fear of failure in a controlled environment, we let people
Hmm.
do whatever they want. Even if they fail, it's okay because they know there are no negative repercussions because it's a planned experiment. So मेरे लिए भी होता है कि I'm allowed to do new things. I'm
Yeah.
allowed to innovate, launch new products and services.
Yeah.
And it's not just a mundane 9 to 6 sort of work.
Yeah.
That is what keeps me coming. And I'm sure that's the same for a lot of other people.
Which is why you have like a long list of products. हम जब research कर रहे थे कि there's a lot of areas जिसमें आप enter हुए हैं, and we'll get to that in the present वाला segment. But उससे पहले we will be playing a game
Okay.
to just change the momentum. Or the game is called Up Close and Personal. This is just about you as a person.
Okay.
जितने आप हमें honest और fun answer देंगे उतना अच्छा है हमारे लिए
I'll
and
try.
audience के लिए. ठीक है? Are you ready?
Sure.
अच्छा, what's the most difficult decision you've had to make at work?
At work,
Yes.
I think there's no fun answer. It was merger ke dauran when we had to right size the organization.
Yeah.
That was not
yeah.
fun at all, but it was extremely, extremely tough
Huh.
because we were few thousands of employees
Hmm.
and we had to right size the organization, which is one of the downsides of a merger.
Hmm.
So very, very tough decisions had to be taken,
Hmm.
but they were in the interest of business.
So, what's the most unusual job you've had to earn money?
To earn money,
Hmm.
I was a coordinator at an IT school, sort of an internship slash work I did for a couple of months. So it was very different. And otherwise, I've just been in telecom industry all my
हाँ,
life.
उस
So
हिसाब से तो yes, IT.
there's
Yes. हाँ.
not much
Coordinator is very different.
newness.
Yes. अच्छा, what's your favorite Pakistani tech startup? You cannot choose something that you've created yourself.
टेक स्टार्टअप मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्ट किया था चीते,
Hmm.
राइट.
पर वो तो unfortunately,
देखिए सारे स्टार्टअप्स में पाकिस्तान में मसला ये है ना विद कोविड एंड ऑल,
yeah.
the whole promise of the valuation play which
Hmm.
was a global phenomena that
Yeah.
didn't really work out. But all the entrepreneurs who were getting into this space, they did in that time period they did really good work.
Yeah.
But unfortunately उसके बाद एकदम से cash flows and profitability that took more importance than growing these platforms. So that sort of a mixed approach
Hmm.
has hampered a lot of startups in Pakistan.
आप लोग की भी तो कंपनी में ऐसा हुआ है? Somebody gave you an idea, कासिम आए मिलके हम कोई डिलीवरी ऐप खोलते हैं, because Pakistan loves delivery apps.
Delivery app mein, there, I mean, there are a couple of things which are close to something that you're referring to. So the audience will see in kuch mahino mein ke there are going to be something like that where we will be venturing into. So as I said, we have to innovate and experiment quite
Yeah.
a bit to be ahead of the market.
अच्छा, if you could trade lives with anyone in your organization, who would it be?
Trade lives.
हाँ.
I would do that with somebody who's just started work
Okay.
because you don't have any legacy, you don't have any background, you don't have any baggage. You're
Yeah.
just fresh mind, fresh ideas,
Hmm.
and the environment allows you to do whatever you want. Right now, as some people ask, my kids ask that, what do you do in the office? I said, I just get paid for my worries, right?
Yeah,
And decision
interesting way, yeah,
making.
I get.
So, but I do miss that that the buzz these new people have on the floor. I would like to be part of that if I couldn't do that.
अच्छा, if you were a superhero, who would you be?
Superhero.
Yes. Do you like superheroes?
Yeah, I do. I mean, I think Iron Man is fascinating because he's a
Self-made superhero. I mean, that's
self-made,
what you say.
very much into technology,
Yeah.
and
Yes,
I think
yes.
he's a cool character.
Is your look like inspired from him a bit? Because you look
No,
like
I don't know. I
2008
think
वाला जो first movie of Iron Man, it's kind of like
I
that.
think it's just that I've got a bad hair day. But the character inspires me. It's like,
Yeah,
confident and using technology for
Yeah.
whatever he's doing.
So what's the most daring thing you've ever done in your life?
Uh, Daring thing.
Hmm.
I think it's mostly on, I would say, sports पे एक आध दफा किया हुआ है. I used to cycle in races in France
Okay.
and descending on a mountain at
Hmm.
90 kilometers an hour. Probably that was very daring and foolish, but I did
Yeah.
that.
So what is your secret talent?
Secret talent. I think it's. I wouldn't say. I don't think talent. Talent. I would say taking a big problem and breaking it into small bite-sized problems, which I feel
Mm-hmm.
either myself or my people around me can solve it.
So, so what's the one thing you regret in life so far?
Regret in life.
Hmm.
I think not probably working in different industry.
Hmm.
There are benefits to it. I mean,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
love this industry, but sometimes I feel it limits how outside the box I can think
Huh.
because I have got a legacy thought process. So
Yeah.
it helps me in understanding what's happening with the
Hmm.
company technology globally because I've seen it all grow. But sometimes I feel I miss out on having a different aspect of looking at things.
Very candid answer, Kasim. Very nice. So what is one piece of advice you would give your younger self?
Uh, I think one piece of advice which I did follow, but I would again would like to give to my younger self or any younger self is, everything is possible. It just
Hmm.
depends how badly do you want it.
Hmm. Interesting. Very nice. So you did really well. Hannah, guys, he did really well on the question. So good job. Now we will move on to our next segment, which is called the present. इसमें I would like you to talk about 2-3 initiatives जो कि as a person or as a professional you feel like आपने किए हैं as a way of giving back to the community.
I mean, I would not like to use the word because it's
Hmm.
we as an organization we do it. But some of the things that I feel Jazz has taken a lead on is Fikr Free हमारा product है, which
Hmm.
is our
The
insurance
insurance app.
platform, the insurance app. Now, we have reduced the entry barrier of insurance and made insurance possible for every individual, which was not the case before.
Yeah.
So that I feel is something which is giving back to the community. Yes,
Hmm.
it is a business proposition end of the day, लेकिन
Yeah.
आप उन लोगों को एक प्रोटेक्शन दे रहे हैं और जो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग उसको यूज़ भी करते हैं
Hmm.
स्पेसिफिकली ऑन मेडिकल साइड एंड हैंडसेट साइड बहुत
Yeah.
ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है जो वैसे वो अफोर्ड ना कर सकते सो
Yeah.
आई फील एज जैज वी हैव गिवन आउट समथिंग टू देम दूसरी जो चीज़ है जो मैं कहूँगा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इज जैज कैश एक्सेस टू फाइनेंसेस
Yeah.
अभी भी अगर आप 10 साल पहले जाएं इफ यू वांट टू हैव एक्सेस टू फाइनेंस बैंक वाज द ओनली थिंग और यू
Yeah.
गो टू सम अदर इनफॉर्मल चैनल्स बैंक एक ब्रिक्स एंड मोटर्स है वो हर एक को एंटरटेन नहीं करेंगे देयर हैड टू बी मिनिमम
Hmm.
बैलेंस जो आपको चाहिए आपको एक अपनी क्या कहते हैं पे स्लिप दिखानी होती
Hmm.
है या बिजनेस के कुछ चीज़ें देनी होती है सो इट वाज प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड
Yeah.
चीज़ टू ओपन एन अकाउंट with the advent of financial wallets, whether it was on the EasyPaisa side or on JazzCash side, we bypassed all the
Hmm.
processes and reduced the entry barrier. So उससे मैं ये देखता हूँ कि अभी हर इंसान पाकिस्तान में can have a bank account,
Yeah.
right?
True.
And I think अभी हम we have just touching the service in terms of how many customers do we have on board, हम उन customers को क्या products and services दे सकते हैं और ये people living in cities will not understand. लेकिन जब हम शहर से बाहर जाते हैं in villages, उनके लिए this is the biggest luxury
Yes.
imaginable. Connectivity and access to financial services empowers them to do their entrepreneurial businesses which was not possible before. वो commerce कर सकते हैं, वो money transfer कर सकते हैं, वो अपनी bill payment कर सकते हैं. There's so many things all of a sudden have become possible जब से हमने मोबाइल वॉलेट्स को ग्रोथ पे फोकस किया है इन पाकिस्तान.
अच्छा आई नाउ वांट टू टॉक क्योंकि हम प्रेजेंट में अबाउट द डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स जो आपने भी मार्केट में लॉन्च किए हैं बिकॉज यू मेंशन फिकर फ्री सो हम उसी से स्टार्ट करेंगे डू यू थिंक कि इंश्योरेंस इज समथिंग जो कि थोड़ा अर्बन एलीट काइंड ऑफ एक चीज समझी जाती है, एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल, या तो नॉलेज का मसला है, ट्रस्ट का मसला है, एंड एक्सेस का भी मसला होता है, एंड इफ दैट इज ट्रू, जब आपने अपना प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन किया, हाउ इज दैट डिफरेंट? और ये जो आपका एजेंडा है ना कि हम मैस लेवल पे एक ईज क्रिएट करेंगे लोगों के लिए, उसके अंदर फिकर फ्री कैसे सेट होता है?
देखिए, फिक्र फ्री डाउनलोड करने के लिए यू जस्ट नीड टू हैव अ स्मार्टफोन एंड डाउनलोड द ऐप,
हम्म,
राइट? एंड देन यू कैन सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पैकेजेस। वहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शनैलिटी बहुत मिलती है। We, as Jazz, most of the times on these services, we are not looking at value per customer, rather we are looking
हम्म,
at the volume of customers, because we sit on 73 million customer base.
हम्म,
So there are extremely advanced algorithms, AI, analytics, machinery working behind the scenes on segmenting and identifying the
हम्म,
customers and their needs based on an unbelievable amount of data that we have.
yeah,
So Fikr Free is a product that, जब आपने जिस तरह कहा ना कि एक्सेस का मसला है, सो एक्सेस का मसला हम एक्सेस का मसला फिक्र फ्री से सॉल्व करेंगे।
हम्म,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग का मसला हम अपनी कम्युनिकेशन से करेंगे, दैट इज एक्चुअली अ बिगर वन।
या
पीपल
बिल्कुल
डोंट
बिल्कुल, यस, हाँ, इट सीम्स
अंडरस्टैंड
लाइक, या,
इंश्योरेंस।
एंड
अभी
जहाँ
हम
पैसे इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, द फर्स्ट वो इसके स्कैम है, पैसे चले जाएंगे मेरे,
ट्रस्ट,
है ना? या,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, एंड दैट इज वेयर एक्चुअली जैज नेम
हम्म,
कम्स इन टू ब्रिंग इंटेग्रिटी एंड
हम्म,
क्रेडिबिलिटी टू द प्रोडक्ट। जैसा
या,
जैज कैश में भी जैज का
या,
ब्रांड नेम हैज अ बिग
यस,
रोल टू प्ले। इंश्योरेंस में जो एक और चैलेंज था, फ्रॉम हाउ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल लुक एट इट, वेदर इट इज अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिलीजियस बिलीफ्स और नॉट, सो हमने तकफ़ुल भी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। So that will be able to cover a much broader horizon of
या,
customers with the product that they deem fit for their requirements.
हम्म,
So it is going to be a slow process, because जैसा आपने कहा है कि why should I spend money on something which might or might not happen?
या,
अनफॉर्चुनेटली जब कुछ होता है तो देन यू रियलाइज इन हाइंडसाइट के मुझे कर लेना चाहिए था।
या,
सो जैसे अब्रॉड आप कहीं डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में जाएं, देयर इज नथिंग अलाउड अंटिल एंड अनलेस यू हैव इंश्योरेंस। हमारे यहाँ तो अभी जो रिसेंट इंसिडेंट इस्लामाबाद में हेल स्टॉर्म का हुआ था, लॉट ऑफ कार्स आर नॉट इंश्योर्ड। सो
वेरी
नाउ
गुड
पीपल हैव
एग्जांपल,
टू,
यस,
नाउ एकदम से
हाँ,
मिलियंस ऑफ रुपीस का खर्चा उनका हो गया है, वेयर
या,
एज इफ इट हैड गॉन थ्रू इंश्योरेंस मे बी सम एस्पेक्ट वुड हैव बीन
हम्म,
कवर्ड बाय दैट। सो हाइंडसाइट में हमें सब पता लग रहा होता है, और ये हमने मेडिकल इश्यूज में भी देखा है। वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टेस्टिमोनियल्स, अब पीपल कुड नॉट अफोर्ड मेडिकेशन, हमने जब उनको ये प्रोवाइड किया है ऑन फैटेलिटीज भी, कई जब फैमिली मेंबर्स को जब रिलीफ मिली है, सो दे हैव बीन वेरी ग्रेटफुल।
हम्म,
बट अगर आपने नहीं की होती, वो नहीं मिलती, एंड द प्रॉब्लम्स एट दैट टाइम कैन नॉट बी रिजॉल्व
या,
अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
या,
सो दैट इज वाई हमारी काफ़ी एजुकेशन पे फोकस आ रहा है। इंश्योरेंस,
अच्छा, जो एक ट्रेडिशनल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है ना, आप अगर मुझे एक लाइन में आपसे पूछूं कि आप लोग की एक यूएसपी ऐसी है दैट सेट्स यू अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑल दीज बिग प्लेयर्स इन द कंट्री, जो कि शायद अब तक इस चीज को उस तरह से एक्सेस नहीं कर सके, द स्पेस दैट यू वांट टू टेक ओवर, वो क्या है वो यूएसपी?
अगेन द एंट्री कॉस्ट,
हम्म,
you have as low as 2 to 3 rupees daily deduction
या,
to get insurance
हम्म,
products. That is viable for us as Jazz, because our we bring millions of customers on board. Abhi already we have about 1.5 million customers using Fikr Free. It was launched in August September last year.
ओके,
And other पहले हम traditional insurance बेचे थे, so we have more than 6 million insurance policies which are active every month. So the scale is there.
या,
So एक हम बहुत low entry barrier करते हैं, plus the processing time is extremely fast and it is totally digital. हम within, we try to have a turnaround time in 24 to 48 hours. Again,
आवर्स,
yes.
ओके,
So your claim is with
हाँ,
you. Again, there are this is not always the case. There could be certain
वो ऑब्वियसली केस टू
केस
केस
टू
डिपेंड
केस पे
करता है,
होता है,
ओके,
बट हमारा होता है इफ इट इज अ स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सिचुएशन, then it is extremely fast, and that
ओके,
is what we feel is our USP.
that's true. That's good. Ajay, now I'll move on to this other app that you guys have. Gaming is a huge thing in the country, right? And बाकी फन इंडस्ट्रीज में जैसे आप लोगों ने पाँव रखा है, आप लोग गेमिंग में भी एंटर हुए हैं। गेम नाउ, राइट? योर
जी,
ऐप इज कॉल्ड। टेल अस अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट दैट, एंड ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि अब हमें गेमिंग में एंटर होना चाहिए?
gaming, I mean, you'll be surprised, we have about 11 million customers on our gaming platform,
ओके,
right? So we became the biggest aggregator of mobile games. in
Hmm.
Pakistan. So gaming, they're different because large screen, small screen,
Yeah.
types of games, hyper casual. So there's a whole variety when you get
Yeah.
into this world. But we were like, how do we bring all the games on one platform
Hmm.
for the customers to experience? And that is what gave birth to Game Now a couple of years back. Now we, it is a very successful model. We have a lot of customers and the growth keeps on coming because अगर आप एक typical gamer को देखें, they spend a lot on games, right? Because gaming is the mindset of what the wallet spend is going to be, or share of wallet for games versus typical mobile telephony or going out to eat
Yeah.
is different. Game takes precedence over
Yeah.
a lot of things, and we have seen, and this is not just an urban phenomena. This happens in tier 2, tier 3 cities as well. So gaming में हमने ये देखा कि एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप सबको ले आए, उनके लिए आसानी होती है. Now we are going to get into publishing. Here we are going to look at creating games. So
When you
there
say
is a,
publishing, you mean like introducing your own games?
yes,
Apni.
we actually have a game which is being used outside the country as well as a test case. So we are going to get into game development. We are talking to
Hmm.
many companies over here. जहाँ पे
Hmm.
काफी game development होती है, if they want to partner with Jazz, or we have our own
Yeah.
studios, and so there's a lot of work that is being done on the gaming side. So it's not just doing the customer growth.
Mhm.
We also need to see what kind of value add we bring in, and if we are able to start, we can start developing games पाकिस्तान में. तो ये
Hmm.
बहुत बड़ी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है कि अब उनका काम, they can actually monetize it through products in Pakistan.
Yes. But do you think we have been very slow in catching up to the global industry? Because esports अब लोग बोलते हैं ना कि वो बड़ी बड़ी चीज बन गई है, but अब तो वो बहुत ही बड़ी चीज बन गई है. So maybe now we kind of acknowledge it as, you know, a real deal. But do you think as a country we've been a little slow in this area?
We have been, and what we see is all the games that are successful.
Huh.
What we don't see is the 90% of the games that are not successful.
Yeah.
So the scale of investment that is required to make a successful global game,
Yeah.
like Tekken ki aap example le rahe hain, that's been a phenomena for years,
Yes.
right? So, and we have it's a Pakistani guy who's a world champion,
Yes.
but there were a lot of failed stories and failed games as well before few become successful.
Hmm.
So it requires a lot of investment in time and money, and of course getting all the right people on board कि वो games develop करें. हर game successful नहीं होगा, but globally it burns millions of dollars.
Hmm.
जो successful होता है, that covers the cost for everything.
Yes.
So we maybe don't have that level of investment in Pakistan कि अगर हमने global games बनानी है, somebody is willing to take a risk on millions and millions of dollars at the moment.
But you think we're still in that phase जहाँ पे हम try कर रहे हैं for something to click, and when it clicks, we will be there.
As I said, we want to venture into it.
हाँ.
कि game development में
Hmm.
I'm not saying we will develop international level games, but
Yeah.
अगर हम local level पे भी कर लें, and just see how successful we are. Because
Yeah.
again, it's difficult to compete with, you know, likes of EA Sports और ये इतने global
बिल्कुल
giants हैं,
बिल्कुल.
right? चाहे वो big screen हो या small screen. But for Pakistani market, if something is tailored over
हाँ.
here, at least it gives us a
Yeah.
कॉन्फिडेंस कि हम गेम डेवलप कर सकते हैं, उसकी क्वालिटी भी हम इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड पे ला सकते हैं, वी
Hmm.
कैन मोनेटाइज इट एंड मेक अ बिजनेस आउट ऑफ इट. देन मे बी वी स्टार्ट टू स्केल अप
Yeah.
slowly and gradually.
It's kind of nice, like, you know, as a industry leader in the sense that Jazz is a big name, right? You have the financial backing compared to maybe many small companies जो games बनाना चाहती हैं. So to try and work in that area ताकि फिर, you know, जब आपका नाम बनता है market में तो फिर बाकी लोगों को भी chance मिलेगा. It's kind of very nice, you know, for a company to take on that responsibility. पैसे तो बनाने हैं हमने, but you know, at the same time, we have to support the economy and the country as
यहाँ
well.
पे आपकी बात ठीक है. Like let's say for example, somebody makes a game.
Hmm.
ठीक. The biggest challenge they face is now how do I create awareness of this game?
Hmm.
So that is where we can support
Yeah.
them.
Yes.
Because we, as you said, Jazz is one of the largest advertisers in Pakistan as well. Plus, we have access to the base.
Yeah.
We have our own gaming platform. So working with those people, if it
Huh.
meets certain checks and
It's a
balances,
win-win.
we can definitely encourage people to develop games and then have them on our platform.
अच्छा अब क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल गेम्स भी तो क्योंकि हमने खुद अपनी गेम्स तो बनाई नहीं है सो लाइक पबजी फ्री फायर एंड ऑल यू नो दे वेरी बिग इन द कंट्री हाउ डू यू compete with you know an established game and name
उनके साथ we get into partnerships. You're right. You cannot compete with them. They are global phenomena, right?
Yeah.
वो एक इतनी बड़ी success है. The only thing you do is partner with them, because if you want to promote your gaming platform,
Hmm.
it is always a wise decision that these people are working with you, right? As the biggest
Yeah.
telecom operator, and because just branding 101, that when you associate with those big industry, global industry players, you become known as a brand which is serious about getting into gaming
Hmm.
and all, and then it starts attracting the right segment. So that is the journey we have started.
Okay. Acha, now I would like to talk about this new app that you guys created. I think last year, I think Rocks,
Rocks.
right? Again, a very different and unique name once again. So, what is Rocks, and why did you guys think, we should maybe launch a product like this?
That's a very interesting question. ROX, ROX stands for Real Online Experience.
Hmm.
So it wasn't a
The
random
gaming
name.
name is strong with these people.
कुछ sort of sound bites हमें मिले कि oh, my dad uses this brand. Now that is synonymous of being blasphemous with Gen Z. कि my dad uses this brand, so
Yeah.
I'm
Oh.
also using that brand. That sort of made us think that, are they just users of the product, or there is some brand affinity with that segment? It came out that there are basically using the product because they need to stay connected. Gen Z, of course, they're always on the phone. They need to stay connected, whether it's for their social media activities or whatever the case might be. But उनको हर वक्त connected रहना है.
Yeah.
So वो हमारे product भी use कर रहे हैं, वो बाकी competition के भी product use कर रहे हैं. But the way we see brand affinity जो jazz की developed है with our segments, वो Gen Z की नहीं थी. So the new generation, people literally 15 to 25, 15 to 18 age bracket में जो भी users थे,
Hmm.
they were just users. Up we did our research के what do they want out of their mobile usage experience. That was very different. They were not just users of GBs and minutes. They wanted to actually get into a whole lot of other ecosystem that somebody else is managing.
Hmm.
And I'm not just talking about social media platforms like Food Panda
Hmm.
as an example, or ride hailing services as an example. They are very big use cases of the Gen Z. हम तो हमने realize किया कि we need to address their requirements. So their requirements, connectivity is like hygiene.
Hmm.
What else can we give them? So उसी लिए फिर जब हमने Rocks launch किया, we embarked on a journey of getting into partnerships with all the top brands that this segment is using. So we are on that path.
Hmm.
बहुत से हम ज़्यादा brands को ला रहे हैं. So Rocks को आप इस तरह से, Jazz is basically a connectivity brand which offers digital services. Rocks is a digital lifestyle brand that
Hmm.
offers connectivity
Okay.
as one of the services. So the narrative is flipped.
Okay.
We don't want कि
हाँ.
रॉक्स का जो कस्टमर है वो सिर्फ एक टिपिकल मोबाइल यूजर है. हम उनका इतना बड़ा पार्टनरशिप का इकोसिस्टम बना रहे हैं विद
हाँ.
हेवी डिस्काउंट्स बाय वर्किंग विद द टियर 1 पार्टनर्स इन द कंट्री, कि आपको आपका हर चीज जो भी आपकी यूजेज आपकी नीड्स हैं विल बी एड्रेस्ड थ्रू रॉक्स,
Hmm.
एंड यू कैन यूज इंटरनेट डेटा वॉइस एज एन एड ऑन.
अच्छा Kazim, lifestyle apps have become a thing, right? आती जाती हैं country में. How do you make sure कि जो आपकी जगह है within the industry वो जो है ना, because you have a big name, Jazz backing you up and all, तो what are you doing differently so that you're not just like a one hit wonder, एक साल के बाद you'll be out of the market?
Okay, the new oil is data.
Hmm.
So we sit on a database of 73 million customers. Whenever we are launching a new product, we do pilots, and
Hmm.
then whoever is sort of an active customer through our pilot, we do a lot of lookalike modeling and search through our base for those behaviors.
Okay.
So then the target market becomes very clear. Okay, these
हाँ.
are the potential people who are going to use our products and services. then communicating to them, because that's a captive audience. I know who they are,
Yeah.
right? So अब मुझे पता है कि जी 20% लाहौर में, 30% कराची में, 15% Islamabad, whatever the geography is. How many people use my Tamasha app? How many people use my JazzCash app?
Yeah.
So then I can communicate about rocks through other
Yeah.
apps as well,
Yes.
or through other messaging services. So then getting to the customers, the right kind of customers,
Yeah.
because we have an unfair advantage. Let's be very open about it.
Yes.
Any telecom company or any company which has a lot of data that they can use to make this business decisions. We don't get into like Asma ne kya kiya hai aaj. We are not interested in that. But how many new iPhone users are in Islamabad? Can I create a bundle for them? So I know who they are.
हाँ, so we
Right?
don't need to be worried कि
हाँ.
वो काजिम knows आज मैंने
नहीं नहीं
फूड पैंडा से 2 बार ऑर्डर किया है.
we don't
That's not happening.
we don't access that information.
Okay.
Right? But हमारा होता है कि ये वाले मंथली बंडल्स यूज करते हैं,
Yeah.
ये वाले हमारे सोशल बंडल्स यूज करते हैं. अब जितने भी सोशल बंडल्स यूज करते हैं, वेयर वी क्लब टुगेदर, फेसबुक, टिकटॉक, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, वो आपको पहले ही पता लग जाता है कि ये आपके किस टाइप का कस्टमर है. लाइक माय मॉम विल नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू दोस बंडल्स,
Yeah.
माय किड्स वुड. सो आपको एक प्रोफाइलिंग हो जाती है बेस्ड ऑन द कस्टमर हैबिट्स
ये
के.
जो आपका क्लेम है कि वी नो व्हाट द कस्टमर वांट्स, वी कैन एंटिसिपेट द नीड्स, वो इसी डेटा से फिर
यहाँ
आता
से अब जैसे अब अगर मैंने रॉक्स पुश करना है,
है.
now there is a customer who's using a voice only bundle versus a customer who's using my social media bundle. The probability of the social media bundle subscribing to Rocks is much, much higher than the
Yeah.
other customers. Then rural versus urban, उसका भी हो जाता है. अब जब आप लेते हैं, आपका एज से भी पता लग जाता है. यू आर न्यू ऑन टू द नेटवर्क, यू आर एन ओल्ड का. सो आपके इससे ना वी स्टार्ट टू क्रिएट अ प्रोफाइल.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, with this person came on board about 3 months back. उससे पहले कभी इसका यूज नहीं हुआ था. They are heavily using social media bundles हमारे.
Yeah.
So these are the kind of customers we need to push Rocks. And then of course it's not 100% accurate, but it gives us more credibility or more confidence that we can grow these services because we are able to filter the right segment through our database.
जैसे सोशल मीडिया एप्स होती हैं, राइट, दे लुक एट योर बिहेवियर एंड फिर उसी तरह कंटेंट आपको सजेस्ट करते हैं, तो आपको भी पता चल जाता है वो माय दिस कस्टमर इज मे बी फॉल्स इनटू दिस कैटेगरी, सो हमारा ये बंडल या ये प्रोडक्ट उसको सूट करेगा, व्हाई डोंट वी इंट्रोड्यूस हिम टू दैट.
Yes, actually we have our app called Simosa.
Okay.
It's a marketplace, it's an experience app, and also with a lot of self-care capability. You don't need to call a call center, वहीं से आपकी चीजें address हो जाती हैं. Over there, we have a feature called the best bundle for you, right?
Okay.
So based on your usage habits, we provide you with the optimal bundle that you can subscribe to,
Yeah.
right? So वो पीछे AI है. अब हमें पता है कि आप वॉइस ज्यादा यूज करती हैं, या आप डेटा ज्यादा यूज
Yeah.
करते हैं, या आप अदर ऑपरेटर्स को कॉल करते हैं. सो
Hmm.
कौन सा बंडल
Yeah.
is best suited for you? So wo is individualized actually. So there are few bundles that we have created for different segments, और आपकी usage pattern को वो देखकर, if you go into the app, it will give you an option to subscribe to that bundle. So that is now the science or AI capability available with us.
अच्छा, माय कंक्लूडिंग क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस सेगमेंट वुड बी कि वी नो कि आपके पास बहुत डेटा का एक्सेस है, सो यू कैन basically create any sort of app also because you guys have the financial backing and the talent for it. How do you pick and choose कि this is the area I want to enter and this is the area I don't want to enter?
हम देखें, the biggest USP for whatever we do is our customer base, our data, our network, our brand. So I will not jump into something where I cannot draw strength from these couple of things, right? So if we get into anything where we can leverage this, like अब insurance की बात करते हैं, insurance is our platform, we charge it through JazzCash, right? So वो financial ecosystem उसका बनता है. It is adjacent to the mobile wallet business, so it is not too distant a relationship.
या ऑल्दो
but
शायद
close.
सुनने में लगता है टेलीकॉम कंपनी इंश्योरेंस की बेच रही है, बट देयर इज अ
टेलीकॉम
केस.
कंपनी मोबाइल वॉलेट्स भी तो बेच रही है. इट्स वी आर अ बैंक एज वेल.
यस.
सो उस तरह से अब गेमिंग होती है कि आपने यूथ को टारगेट करना है, वेदर इट इज रॉक्स गेमिंग. सो गेमिंग के लिए भी अपने प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने हैं, उन्होंने भी डेटा यूज करना है. सो ये एक सॉर्ट ऑफ एडजस्टेंट बिजनेस है. नाउ if you tell me whether Jazz will get into real estate or textile, no, because I cannot leverage the assets that we have. So wherever we can leverage our strengths,
Yeah.
that to get into that business and grow that business is is easier than getting into something where I will not be able to compete.
Okay, interesting. Now we'll move on to our next game segment,
All
ठीक है?
right.
This is called the hot take challenge. इसमें हम आपको hot take देंगे और उसपे आपने हमें अपना unfiltered opinion देना है. You can't just say yes and no. I mean, we would want something more than just a yes and no. Are you ready?
Sure. Go ahead.
अच्छा, marketing to Gen Z is not only about rap music.
Yeah, I agree. They need to have a purpose. Otherwise, they will not believe.
But as someone who is in the marketing industry, आपको लगता है कि शायद हमने थोड़ा सा लिमिट कर दिया है, Gen Z को एक बॉक्स में डाला हुआ है कि funky rap music बनाएंगे, that's the only way to get to them?
I agree. That is not the way
Hmm.
to go about it, because just because you're born in a certain generation doesn't mean you are
Hmm.
totally,
Yeah.
because that is a very small subsegment of Gen Z.
Hmm.
Overall, Gen Z, we look at it that from the technology adoption, education,
Hmm.
understanding the global trends
Yeah.
from that perspective, not just that you're a Gen Z,
हाँ, वो सिर्फ
you're
तला
a
अंजुम को
Swiftie.
सुनते हैं तो बस हम
Yeah,
तला अंजुम से ऐड
yeah.
बनाएंगे.
So not
Okay.
every Gen Z is Tala Anjum or a Taylor Swift
हाँ.
fan. Huh?
Yeah, that's okay. Pakistanis are ready to pay for insurance. They just haven't been sold the right story.
I agree. जो मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि people realize later what happened and
Hmm.
how they could have been, I mean, God forbid, if somebody goes through a loss of health or a loved one, of course, that cannot be replaced. But the pain can be eased in terms of looking after the family members from a financial
Yeah.
aspect to a certain extent. वो लोगों को बहुत बाद में realize होता है.
Hmm.
और इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर the religious element, so that is why takafful is also there. So people who want or one or the other type of insurances, we are offering that. Education is still important. I mean, you can't even comprehend कि आप बाहर मुल्कों में या इवन दुबई में आप गाड़ी रेंट कर लें without insurance. It just will not be happening. यहाँ पे जो इस्लामाबाद की एग्जांपल दी, people did suffer. आई एम श्योर अब काफी लोग कहेंगे, सोचेंगे अगर हमने इंश्योरेंस कराई होती
हाँ.
हमें शायद हेल्प आउट हो जाते. सो इस तरह से एजुकेशन जब इसकी जितनी बढ़ती जाएगी,
Hmm.
आई थिंक द प्रोडक्ट इज गोइंग टू टेक ऑफ इटसेल्फ.
अच्छा, मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में आजकल इफ यू डोंट पास द एस्थेटिक चेक यू आर इनविजिबल.
आर यू क्वेश्चनिंग इट फ्रॉम सेलिब्रिटी पर्सपेक्टिव?
ओवरऑल राइट, आपका ब्रांड एस्थेटिक होता है, एड की फील, वाइब सारा, क्योंकि हर चीज अब तो एस्थेटिक्स है ना, क्योंकि वी आर लिविंग इन अ एज ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम. इफ इट डजंट लुक गुड, इट शुड नॉट बी आउट देयर.
I would not go so far as to say it doesn't look good, but there has to be just like typical marketing में कहते हैं RTB, reason to believe होना चाहिए. So you need to stand out.
ओके.
Why? I mean, how do you differentiate yourself from the clutter? Right? Aesthetics, if it is something that is easily copied by others, then you don't stand out. You just have an advantage which is time bound. If you want to stand out and have a lasting impact, then there are other things you need to focus on. So whether it's for Gen Z or other generations,
जी.
the branding and the marketing, you need to get out of the clutter, because there's just too much clutter that is in the market for any product and service.
अच्छा, इन्फ्लुएंसर कोलैब्स मैटर मोर देन बिलबोर्ड्स नाउ.
uh my agency will not be happy with me, but दोनों के different objectives हैं. It's not either or.
ओके.
आपका जो बिलबोर्ड होता है, they are launched usually for 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It creates awareness, a
ओके.
massive awareness that, oh, there's a new product.
हाँ.
Influencers actually talk about how they are using that product. So that is the next step which has to be in the life cycle of the product. कि जैसे मैंने रॉक्स देखा, I don't know what rocks is. वो आपने बिलबोर्ड पे देख लिया, subscribe to rocks. Now you might be thinking rocks क्या है?
हाँ.
The influencer will actually tell you in their 1-2 minute video, whatever the case might be, of rocks hai kya. So creating awareness to creating what the product is and how you use, so those go through different stages of your brand life cycle. So a combination is what matters and not either or.
So if your product doesn't have dark mode, it is automatically irrelevant.
I'm not too sure. I haven't heard that. बाकी फिर भी मैं कहूँगा
हाँ, ओके।
one
अभी
way or
तक
the
आपको ये
other.
फीडबैक नहीं आया है कि
नहीं अभी
आपकी ऐप पे डार्क मोड नहीं है? फ़िक्र फ्री को डार्क मोड दें?
I'm अब शायद ना आ जाए आफ्टर
ओके,
यू
सॉरी,
रेज्ड इट
सॉरी।
इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन द पॉडकास्ट बट अभी तक ये हमें फीडबैक नहीं आया. अगर आएगा तो वी लुक इनटू डेवलपिंग. आई एम श्योर इट्स नॉट वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड.
अच्छा, अ मीम कैंपेन इज़ मोर इफेक्टिव देन अ मिलियन रुपी कैंपेन आजकल।
इट डिपेंड्स. अगेन मीम का होता है ज़्यादा द टोनालिटी इज ऑन द ह्यूमरस
या,
साइड.
यस।
So, and it is extremely specific to an incident which becomes history within few hours. So, if the turnaround time is very fast and you can have a relevant meme, then it creates a buzz, but that's very short-lived, right? But
या,
whereas the campaign
या।
campaign again has its objective, has its purpose. The shelf life of a campaign is longer. But I love memes,
हुँ।
right? So,
पर आपने आज तक ऐसा हुआ है कभी व्हेन यू आर सिटिंग इन योर मीटिंग्स मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कि लेट्स डू सम लाइक मीम कैंपेन या आपको इस तरह के आइडियाज पिच होते हैं तो आप क्या सोचते हैं? डू यू थिंक इट्स फॉर एवरीवन और डू यू थिंक कि उसकी टाइम और स्पेस होती है, हर जगह नहीं हो सकता ये?
it's उसकी टाइम और स्पेस होती है. As I said, some globally some incident happens, right? Especially it's not on the negative side.
या,
So फिर उसकी memes बन जाती हैं. We try not to be politically incorrect because we want to give a positive image.
या,
किसी का मजाक उड़ाना is not the objective through the meme.
या,
But sometimes a lot of hilarious stuff happens,
या।
right? अगर आपको उस वक्त you can react and create something very fast. As I said, meme with that news or incident is forgotten within 24, 48 hours.
हुँ,
So the brand team is quite fast. They create something very
या,
quickly, and on the digital front, they can come up with something. रमजान में बहुत सी समोसास की मीम थी ये थी वो. So that
हाँ,
was just
या।
a quick turnaround time. So but it cannot substitute a campaign.
अच्छा, काज़िम मार्केटिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपका फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट क्या है
Favorite product?
जिनकी आपको मार्केटिंग बहुत पसंद है? प्रोडक्ट चाहे जो भी हो बट यू जस्ट लव हाउ दे मार्केट इट।
Uh, I think if you look at the sports brand called On, right? उसके I'm very fond of their shoes and all.
आपने उनके जूते पहने?
उन्हीं के बने हुए.
ओके, उन्हीं के जूते
So
पहने हुए।
I have a lot of merchandise from them. So
ओके।
they started off a couple of years back, but they brought in a very different twist too because they had to compete with the likes of Nike and
या।
Adidas. So उन्होंने you can't take those giants head on. बहुत मुश्किल है.
हुँ,
So they, of course, they were on the back of Roger Federer, which gave them a big boost. But they had a very unique design,
हुँ,
right? अभी अगर आप other than the logo bit, आप किसी first timer को Adidas या Nike का shoe दिखाएंगे, they will not know कि ये Adidas है या Nike है. I mean, people who are into sports and all might pick up.
हाँ,
But अगर
हाँ।
आप वो
या स्ट्रीट
stripes या
फैशन, यस।
swoosh को hide कर दें, it's very
हुँ,
difficult for people to
यस।
tell कि ये Nike है या
हाँ, प्रोडक्ट
Adidas है.
डिज़ाइन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यस, यू राइट।
So On came up with those small holes in the
या,
sole, which is extremely unique, and only
या।
they have done that. So
हुँ,
and then they also started partnering with a lot of different athletes, not your run of the mill. So Abhi right now their main focus is on running
हुँ,
and lifestyle. So Nike वगैरह Adidas are not known for their lifestyle shoes. They're known for
हुँ,
their sports capability,
या,
for their
यस।
apparel and shoes. Whereas they have gone into the lifestyle. So what daily
हुँ,
usage segment में भी आ गए. And the design was very cool. Design is very funky. It caught up. It's a premium brand. The merchandise is extremely expensive. But I just liked the launch, the look and feel. I was quite impressed that they've broken the clutter of typical Nike Adidas mold.
इंटरेस्टिंग। अच्छा, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सेगमेंट व्हिच इज़ कॉल्ड द फ्यूचर। इसमें पहले तो बिफोर वी टॉक अबाउट द फ्यूचर ऑफ योर इंडस्ट्री, आई वुड लाइक यू टू गिव सम एडवाइस टू द यंगर पीपल जो देख रहे हैं हमें, समथिंग दैट यू थिंक वुड if they adopt into their lives, they will be better prepared for what's coming for them in the future.
One of the most important things is having confidence in one's own ability.
Hmm.
And it's life is the journey is never a linear journey.
Yeah.
There are ups and downs,
Hmm.
and sometimes even on when it's a down, it's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
दूसरी चीज है कि people need to take responsibility of their own lives and careers. हमारी भी आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखें, वी आर वेरी मच फोकस्ड ऑन हाउ डू वी हेल्प पीपल मूव फॉरवर्ड, बट people also need to meet us halfway, and that they need to show the desire of what they want to do. लोगों को वैसे खुद नहीं पता लगता. I mean, if you are
हाँ.
working for Jazz और आप कहती हैं कि if you want to go into engineering, but you're working in marketing, how am I supposed to know you want to go into engineering? Unless and until you come and tell me, this is what I aspire to do. Then as an organization, we can open opportunities.
Yeah.
So, इसीलिए आप किसी भी फील्ड में हो, किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हो, you cannot depend on anybody else except yourself on what your life is going to be, where you want to go, and आपके पास एक end goal होना चाहिए. Not end goal, I would say it's a 5-year, 10-year thing that, okay, fine, I want to be a director of a department in 10
Yeah.
years. Then just take step backwards of what will it take for you to get there. And then those habits, those learnings, the kind of work, those experiences, they need to come into play because you have already mapped out what it takes to go over there. Then you have to follow that path.
Great advice. Great advice, Kazim. अच्छा, अब I would want to ask you something जो मैं personally, जो when I look at the telecom industry, and I think right now we are in a weird situation जिसमें दो companies जो है ना वो merger के उस पे फंसी हुई हैं, ठीक है? And then there's one company that's Chinese, and we know how Chinese companies operate. Do you think you guys are doing so well because competition मसलों में फंसा हुआ है and they're busy and you have all the space and time to do whatever you want, and once it settles down तब real competition शुरू होगा?
देखिए, मैं तो हमेशा चाहता हूँ कि there is healthy competition because it keeps us on our toes.
Yeah.
And competitors need to be successful because successful companies, they take rational decisions. Unsuccessful or struggling companies can do drastic things that destroy value of the industry, right?
Okay.
And I don't want to get into details, but globally भी बहुत examples हैं.
Yeah.
So with the merger happening, I believe it will be good for the industry. We, from Jazz perspective, we support the merger. We went through a merger as long as the terms and conditions they are the same. We support the merger because there'll be more stability in the market. Because right now, Ufone just got 4G license about a year and a half or 2 years back. So they need more spectrum. Telenor is sitting on a lot of spectrum, but they need more investment to actually grow their company. The merger of the two, I look at it from a positive angle because then both will have what they're looking for. So
Yeah.
Telenor customers, they get investment, so the network improves. The
quality
Ufone
service.
customers get a lot of spectrum, so their experience improves. And because there is the value we still feel is we are leaving behind as an industry, and that I strongly feel we will be able to capture the proper value that industry has to offer.
अच्छा, अब इसी सेंस में मुझे बताएं, एक तो 5G आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा, काफी अरसे से वो चल रहा है, एंड देन देयर द another weird thing, the Starlink वाली बात, right? When that comes in, what is your opinion on that? एक आम बंदे के point of view से I feel like, oh, they're going to maybe completely take away your business. I mean, from a normal point of view, right? मुझे तो ऐसे लगता है कभी-कभी. What is your opinion, and what do you think is actually going to happen when a player like Starlink comes into the market?
Okay, there are two kind of products that Starlink is offering. पहला तो जो उनका बेसिक प्रोडक्ट है, that is you have a device which is right now maybe $100 or something, and you can have internet connectivity anywhere you want, anywhere in the world. Now उसको अगर खाली आप देखें, I think it helps in creating digital awareness in rural areas. So all for it होना चाहिए, because कई जगह operator के business case नहीं बनते because our rollout requires different investments.
Yeah.
We are not satellite based. We are through fiber network and cell site, so different dynamics altogether. There are many areas where we can't provide services, so Starlink can go there. The second thing is when they collaborate with the operators, and I'm very interested in that because हमें बहुत जगहों पे उनकी support होगी. So I feel if they work with us, there is more to be gained for everyone rather
Okay.
than competing with us. Because अब जब आप dense urban area में आते हैं, indoor coverage है, basement coverage है, where the telecom operators will flourish and Starlink standalone will not be able to penetrate that. Their price points might be different. Our price points are very localized. I personally feel कि Starlink आना चाहिए और हमारे साथ partner करना चाहिए. It is going to be good for everyone, good for them and good for the mobile operators.
वो जो आप डिजिटल डिवाइड की बात करते हैं, अर्बन रूरल वाला, दैट इज गोइंग टू गेट बेटर.
उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट
हाँ.
आएगी. एज आई सेड, कई जगहों पे फार फ्लंग में मेरे लिए जाना मुश्किल है.
हाँ.
Not to get too technical, but backhaul technology होती है where a site in a rural area, let's say, gets connected to our main centers. वो राइट नाउ या तो आप फाइबर के थ्रू जाते हैं या आप डिफरेंट साइट्स के थ्रू एक
हाँ.
माइक्रोवेव का नेटवर्क बिल्ड करते हैं. दैट इज वेरी कॉस्टली.
हाँ.
So if I can do, let's say, satellite backhauling, so then I can get into areas जो अभी मेरे लिए feasible, financially feasible नहीं है. So I am looking at it very positively.
अच्छा, डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स की क्योंकि हमने बात की है, डू यू थिंक दैट इज गोइंग टू, कुछ अर्सा पहले जब ये डॉलर प्राइस और सारा कुछ हो रहा था तो आरपू की एक बहुत आप लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री होता है, व्हाट इज आरपू, वैसे अगर आप हमारे ऑडियंस को समझाएं.
Okay, ARPU is basically average revenue per user.
हम्म.
Is how much a customer pays you. Different definition, whether it's on 30-day
या
basis, 90-day basis. So ये तो 300 rupees पे hover कर रहा होता है.
ठीक है. सो अब जब आप डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट्स में जाएंगे, डू यू थिंक दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू जब बिजनेस प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी की बात आती है, क्योंकि नाउ यू आर नॉट जस्ट डिपेंडेंट ऑन वन काइंड ऑफ सर्विस एंड नॉट जस्ट जैज पीपल आल्सो, राइट, क्योंकि आप कह रहे हैं हमारे कितने प्रोडक्ट्स तो बाकी सबके लिए भी हैं. सो इज दैट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन द लॉन्गर रन एज वेल?
These price points right now become a challenge, and I'll tell you why. Because end of the day, to use this product, you need two things. You need connectivity
हाँ.
and you need smartphones. Smartphones पे भी हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा duty है. It is very expensive for a normal person to buy a good quality smartphone where they can use all the apps. So that is something which becomes a deterrent. The second thing is when you have more products and services, the usage of data also goes up exponentially. To carry that traffic, you need more equipment, which is in US dollars that you
Okay.
import. Then you need something which is called spectrum. Those are frequency bands that government allocates. That is also we pay in US dollars. We pay hundreds of billions of dollars for that. So higher the data requirement, if I'm not able to monetize it properly to cover those costs, that becomes difficult for me to launch new services. अभी हम लो डेटा यूजेज सर्विसेज लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जैसे गेमिंग वगैरह की बात आई थी, दैट रिक्वायर्स अ वेरी हाई बैंडविड्थ एंड डेटा यूटिलाइजेशन. वो हम एक हद तक ही जा सकेंगे given the cost structures. Otherwise, the price points become very high for the customers. So it's sort of a vicious circle that for us to cover the costs which are dollar denominated, we need to charge higher to the customers, and then that limits the number of customers that we can target.
ओके. अच्छा काजिम, एक चीज है, पिछले ना एक साल से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का वर्ड जैज के साथ बहुत ज्यादा एसोसिएट किया जाता है, राइट? बिग क्लेम्स ऑन इन न्यूज़पेपर्स वगैरह आप देखें, वी आर बिकमिंग अ डिफरेंट कंपनी, सर्विस को, डिजिटल को, ऑल दीज थिंग्स, राइट? इज दिस समथिंग यू गाइस जस्ट पुट अराउंड आउटसाइड टू साउंड कूल, और यू गाइस आर एक्चुअली डूइंग समथिंग दैट justifies this claim?
Actually, it has been put in practice as we speak.
Okay.
Because आपकी बात ठीक है, Jazz एक telecom company थी, and the main focus areas हमारे was Jazz Cash, जो in the last 2-3 years we have doubled the growth, if
Yeah.
not more, and Tamasha and Samosa. So ये 2-3 चीजों पे बहुत heavy focus था. Then all of a sudden, a lot of new services started coming up. It's not only on the consumer side, but on the business side as well. हमारा garage platform आ गया, cloud services आ गई, data center. So all of a sudden we realized that it's not just a mobile telephony play. Then we have a bank called MMBL, Mobile Link Microfinance Bank. So we have bank, we have Jazz Cash, we have consumer business, we have enterprise business, and we have digital platforms. And then we have a tower company. So then we have all 5-6 came into existence, and then different presidents were assigned, different P&Ls were made कि आपने हर एक को फर्क तरह से देख लें, because अब we are looking at certain products and services. अगर पहले before I became the president, I was the chief commercial officer, did not have the bandwidth to do justice to all the services that we're doing.
Yeah.
So इसीलिए different verticals बन गए कि यार you guys
छोटी
focus
छोटी
on
कंपनीज
this.
विद इन
हाँ.
जैज.
So that is the whole play. that
Okay.
we are looking at, it just helps us focus on certain key products and services and not to be overwhelmed by the sheer expanse of products and services that we are launching.
ओके, इंटरेस्टिंग। अब हम लोग एक सरप्राइज गेम खेलेंगे। ये हम अपने गेस्ट के मुताबिक बनाते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
बिकॉज आप जेन जी मार्केटिंग, ऑल दी स्कूल थिंग्स की आप बात करते हैं, सो अब हमको टेस्ट करेंगे जेन जी स्लैंग कल्चर के ऊपर।
I'll fail.
इट्स फाइन, विल एंजॉय योर फेलियर, इट्स ऑल फॉर दैट पर्पस। आर यू रेडी?
Yeah, shoot.
व्हाट इज रिज? यू हैव टू टेल मी समथिंग। अगर आपको आंसर नहीं भी आता, यू हैव टू मेक अ गेस।
Riz.
रिज।
Riz, I mean, I've heard that word. It's it's like some cool factor of a personality that you show to the opposite gender.
Yeah, it's charisma. Charisma में से riz निकलता है, so yes, you're
Okay, fine.
correct.
So I'm
Yeah,
I'm halfway there.
yes, yeah, halfway there.
Good.
We'll give you a pass on this one.
Okay.
ठीक है, Delulu.
No idea.
You have to guess still. Say
Delulu?
something. हाँ, Delulu.
That's something you see but you don't believe, or something. I don't know. Picking up from delusional.
It is being delusional.
Oh,
Yes.
is it?
हाँ, so it's just a cool way of saying the same thing because delusional is
Okay,
just so
fine.
old
So
school.
I get a pass
हाँ,
over there
yes,
as well.
pass on
That's
that
not
also.
bad. What is
अच्छा, no cap.
No cap.
Hmm.
That means uh, keep your voice down, be gentle or something.
नहीं, it means no lie that I'm serious. तो अगर आप
अच्छा.
बोले कि we are the market leader, no cap. So we'll be like, oh अच्छा, Kazim is serious. Kazim is not
Okay,
lying.
fine.
ठीक है?
Absolutely not.
अच्छा, mid.
Mid.
MID, mid. Yes. क्या फीलिंग आ रही है आपको इससे?
I mean, middle is in the middle of something.
Hmm.
I'm busy. I don't
It stands for mediocre. Kazim, your knowledge of slang is mid so
I think
far.
it's below that.
So, yeah. So, main character energy.
Main?
Character energy. ये तो वैसे थोड़ा सा self explanatory है.
I
but you-
mean, energy
हाँ.
or the personality characteristics of the main character in a
Yes, when
situation.
when someone shows that a
Yeah.
lot. So, हाँ. अच्छा, now it's giving.
You get a 5 out of it?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Not bad. Do you have
4
young
out
kids?
of 6? Yeah, I do. I've got teenagers in the house, but
Oh,
they
okay.
never use these words with
Yeah.
me.
Acha, stan. STAN. Stan.
Are you understanding something?
No, it means to support or idolize someone. So if you like cricket, you're a cricket stan.
Acha, okay, fine.
हाँ. ठीक है, अब final hits different.
It's different, is it?
Hits different, yeah.
It's like from the literal sense that you feel differently about something.
Yes. Yes.
I got what, 5 out of 8 or something?
Yeah, you got a lot of these correct, which
Not
is
bad.
amazing. Yeah, pretty good.
Kids will be proud.
आप बोलते हैं आपके बच्चे आपको नहीं सिखा रहे, but maybe you are picking up some things from them.
I might be. I
Yeah,
might
so
be in
you need to go home and
subconscious.
thank them. अच्छा, now we will move on towards the conclusion. अब हमारे फाइनल सेगमेंट में कुछ चीजें ही होती हैं। वी हैव दिस ट्रेडिशन जिसमें हमारे जो भी गेस्ट होते हैं ना, उन्होंने एक सवाल आंसर करना था जो हमारे पिछले गेस्ट छोड़ के गए होते हैं।
Okay.
ठीक है, एंड देन यू आल्सो हैव टू लीव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर द नेक्स्ट गेस्ट ऑब्वियसली। सो बिफोर यू लीव योर क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट वाज लेफ्ट बाय द ओल्डर गेस्ट। ठीक है, उनको नहीं पता था आप कौन है, उन्होंने एक रैंडम क्वेश्चन छोड़ा है। क्वेश्चन ये था कि इफ यू वर टू डू अ 360 रिव्यू ऑफ योरसेल्फ, ठीक है, तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वुड यू लाइक टू चेंज?
What kind of things I would like to change?
Yes.
I think to have more fun. In my younger years, it was hota na ke too much focus on
हाँ,
work.
yeah.
Right. So I think I had more fun later in
हाँ.
work than earlier. It was just took too much stress on myself.
Okay, interesting. And what is the question you would like to leave for the next guest? कुछ existential छोड़ सकते हैं, कुछ science related, anything. If you want to put someone on the spot,
Might be similar to something like this. Like what advice you would give to yourself when you were
ये तो हम गेम में
16?
पूछ लेंगे
I
ना।
know.
हाँ, तो आप कुछ और बताएं।
Um, I think it would be something that I do ask myself,
Hmm.
that was I actually made to do what I'm doing right now?
Wow, pretty deep question,
Yeah.
Kazim. एंड आपका अंदर से क्या जवाब आता है?
But I don't know. I mean,
You
sometimes I
still trying to
think
figure out.
it's like so I've achieved certain things over here. What if I was a mountaineer? Could I have done more? What
Oh,
if I was a poet? Would have been a so, you choose a field that is presented in front of you.
yeah,
You don't have the
yes.
luxury to experiment into 100 different areas to actually find out who you are.
Hmm.
So sometimes it just makes me think that is this actually what, or if I had gone into other field, would I have been better?
Hmm. Interesting. So now the best part of the podcast, because this is for the fans, the audience.
Okay.
ठीक है, which is कि जो भी हमारे गेस्ट आते हैं उन्होंने एक गिव अवे अनाउंस करना होता है that they can win through a social media competition.
Okay.
तो उड़ती उड़ती खबर आई है कि आप लोग कोई नया मोबाइल ब्रांड लेके आ रहे हैं पाकिस्तान में.
Yeah, it's a really cool brand. It's called Nothing.
Yeah, so is this going to be a chance for us to win a mobile phone?
Yeah, we could put that in a competition.
And what kind of a competition would you want? कैसे आप जज करना चाहते हैं? How will you find the person worthy of a free nothing phone?
Can I get back to you on that? Be still thinking on how to do it because अभी launch भी नहीं हुआ phone. So I
Hmm.
don't want to commit something कि phone आएगा कब.
Can we help you create a competition?
Yeah, please do that. So I commit to giving you
Yeah.
a Nothing phone.
So let's
as
agree कि हम, because Nothing is a very cool brand.
yes.
So anybody who can showcase their coolness in a video, tag us, tag you people, and then we can, collectively judge their coolness in a video, and then we can choose a winner like that.
ठीक है. I think that we can, and we can then give the best video or the coolest video. We can
Yeah.
give them a Nothing answer.
Yeah, and we can also participate because I also want
Oh, well, you
to
can
win a
of course
phone.
give it a
Okay.
shot.
Yes, okay. So that's a great opportunity. Free nothing phone. I mean, the flex that you will have. क्योंकि अभी मुल्क में तो बिल्कुल नया होगा ना.
अभी हाँ यही है.
Yes.
इंडिया
Yes.
में
So
लॉन्च हुआ है then
yeah.
globally आ रहा है.
So a great chance to flex on your friends. All right, Kazim. So this was everything. Thank you so much for being so candid. So fun
Thank you
to
for
talk
having
to.
me here.
And telling us all these fun stories, and there was a lot to learn about the industry, about the future of the industry, and how much you guys care. And I think शुरू में मैंने बोला था ना कि हम आपको टेस्ट करेंगे. I feel like you've passed the test because
have I?
yes, your claims are backed by proper data. So good job on that. हमारी तरफ से तो full marks.
Okay, I'm glad.
ठीक है.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much. I hope you guys also enjoyed the episode. अगर कोई feedback है आप please comments में करें. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that. And I will see you next time. Bye.